So here we have the Audi S5 convertible on a 10 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a two-door car with alloy wheels. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll work our way around to the front of the car from there. Okay, so as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. Given that the roof is down, plenty of boot space. The roof is stored in this section here, and you'll see in the boot we also have a windbreak that comes with the car as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from its exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. We have the fuel gauge over on that right-hand side as well. In the middle, you can see the main trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 54,478. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed in that section using a button on the right-hand stalk for various bits of trip computer information, or that digital readout for the speedometer. On the steering wheel, we have stereo and phone controls, and just behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedals are so that you can change gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over in the center, we have the main screen for the car. All of the controls for the screen are just here, so you can control virtually everything from this dial. These four buttons relate to the four corners of the screen, so when you see something written in the top left hand corner, for example, this button will activate that. Or you can enter certain menus directly from here if you wish to. We're on the radio menu at the moment, so that top right hand corner is where you select your wave band, so you press the button that relates to that, and you can see that we have FM, medium wave and long wave radio available to us. We can listen to our own music by pressing the media button, and again, top right hand corner will show you all the different ways you can listen to your music, all listed here, and they include Audi's multimedia interface just there. This car's also got satellite navigation, really nice clear display, very easy system to use, all colour as you can see as well. Working our way down from that, we have the CD player. You can open this section for two SD memory card slots as well, and we then have dual zone climate control. So you can, this dial basically will control the right hand side or the left hand side. So if you want to control the temperature, you just turn that dial. If you'd like to control the fan speed, you press the fan button and turn that dial. If you want to control the heated seat, you press that button and again you turn the dial. You've got 6 different heat settings for both driver and passenger there as well. Air conditioning's on when that light shows, or you can hit auto. If I do that, the car will take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air, and you can hear it doing that now. It will do that to maintain the temperatures you've asked for, and you can override that whenever you wish to. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the electronic handbrake, the volume for the stereo, and the button to start and stop the engine. These two buttons here relate to the roof firstly, and then the windows. So you can do all 4 windows down or up simultaneously with this button, and this one, lifting it back, will open the window, or the roof, sorry, which I'll show you now. Okay, so if I lift that button up, it will start off with the windows all going down. And then the rear section will open up, as you can probably just about see, and then the roof will fold down in before that finally shuts down, and then all 4 windows will then go up again. You can, as I said, with one push of a button, which I've just done, lower all 4 windows simultaneously. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.